We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, as we can see, the price was within this correction and we get the 1, 2, 3. Okay, and if we refer to the indicators, we have a divergence because if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned for long term, we can be looking for reversal as a buy. Anyway, whoever get the trade for sell from here, they have to take out move their stop loss to break even. At least they start to manage it. Since we have a divergence right now, we want to see if we get any reversal. This is what we are more interested. And as we can see, we are looking for 117. We want to see whether the price can break. If there is a breakout of 117, this is the next level, almost the breakout of the previous low. Okay. Anyway, since right now we don't have any trade set up for either buy or sell, mostly we will be more interested if we get a reversal. That means still we can look for continuation. That means still if we get any small flag or correction, we can take the trade for sell. All right. But it's a short term. It depends on the trader. Since right now we don't have any trade setup, we cannot confirm. But for long term, we're looking for the reversal, at least the price to retest the previous low, which is 190. Anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell, but right now we're looking at this one with the divergence. If we get any reversal, this is what we're looking for. And if I move to higher time frame, based on daily chart as what we expected, we mentioned price can consolidate here, and even we can be longer time within this move before we get the reversal. And even based on forward chart, we don't have any information to discuss. The only thing is whether the price can retest the previous low or not, because mostly we can look for divergence. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. Any sell will be short term, but for long term, if we get the reversal, we can look for buy. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade, I will share. Bitcoin Gold, we start with 1 hour chart. Most of the charts, they have the similar movement because this down move was because of the Bitcoin and we are within this correction. Exactly, this one is similar to the last video because we get the correction here and this is as a 1, 2, 3 and we see the divergence. Okay, that's mean most of the charts we're looking for the reversal. We can look for continuation as well, but any sell will be a short-term sell. Okay, but for sure if we get the reversal in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup and the daily similar. We can expect to get the bigger correction. The price can be within this move for longer time before we get the reversal. And if we move to forward chart, we want to see whether the price can break previous low or not. As I mentioned, most of the chart, they have a similar movement, but for long term, we're looking for the reversal. For the reversal, we don't need to wait for the break. We don't need for price to break the previous low. As long as we get the trade setup for buy, we start to manage. The only thing is the reversal should be with a short move, not the corrective move. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We can look for continuation as a short-term trade, but it depends on the traders. For me, in this analysis, we're looking for the reversal. That's why if we get any trade setup for buy, I will share. And for this chart, we start with the 1 hour chart for the TEL coin. As we can see, this one has a similar movement, same as the last two charts. After the price drop, we can confirm as a 1, 2, 3 ABC with the divergence. We can look for continuation, but the best thing is we're looking for the reversal. What I mean by continuation, any flag we can look for sell is a short-term sell. But the best thing is we look for reversal. We don't have any trade setup. And if we move to the higher time frame, similar to what we explained in the last two charts. And the best thing is for long term, we're looking for the reversal because this down move and this correction, most of the chart, they have a similar movement. Mostly they're following the Bitcoin. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup and we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade, I will share. Thanks.